Amazing YouTube algorithm hacks you should know. Now, a lot of beginners are struggling with views. They are also struggling in getting enough subscribers. But there are certain hacks you should know when it comes to YouTube. Hi, in case you're meeting me for the first time, this is YouTube Success with Dio. Make sure you like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up on this channel. And also, do not forget to click the bell icon so that you can get notified when I drop any new video. Concerning hacks, let's go straight to the point. Number one, make sure you use very attractive thumbnails. Very, very, very important. Thumbnails. Make sure the titles written on your thumbnails create curiosity. Make sure the titles for that video also create curiosity. You can also use ChatGPT to check for SEO optimized tags. Yes, SEO optimized tags for that particular video you are uploading. Make sure you attach the tags to your video. Now, within the day, there are times you should post. When you post at these particular times of the day, you have the tendency to get enough views. And that's because a lot of people will be online at that moment. Now, if I'm to give you my own, I would say post around, let me say from 11 upwards to around 7 p.m. in the night. But I would advise you to check, this is a very important hack, download YouTube Studio and check what works for your analytics. So what works for me might be different from what works for you. Sometimes coincidentally it might be the same. More so, you can break your long videos into chapters. Then after that, make sure that you post at least once every week. Very important, because YouTube rewards consistency. Consistency is the key. Now, do not be afraid of low views, even if it's 1 or 2 or 3 views. Remember, those views are secret keys to your success. You might not know they are all blessings in disguise. Do not make the mistake of giving up because of 2 to 3 views for like a number of months. Just keep on and keep on posting. Make sure you post. If you can post every day, do. Then if you can, make sure at least in a week you post. YouTube rewards consistency. Algorithm favors consistency. Now, another hack, remix your long videos into shorts. Yes, remix your long videos into shorts. This hack is also very important. Make sure you reply to comments. Reply to comments. Reply to comments. Appreciate your viewers by replying to their comments. YouTube rewards such. Algorithm favors people that reply to comments. A lot of people don't do that. Make sure you reply to comments. Then finally, I will say to you, now there are others, but just for this video, finally, trigger multiple traffic sources or harness multiple traffic sources such as Pinterest, such as Facebook and TikTok Reels. Link them up with your YouTube channel. All these can help you in growing very, very fast on YouTube. So make sure you like, subscribe, click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.